Hey loves, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing this sparkly, glittery, glam holiday look. This look is actually going to be inspired by one of my favorite holiday fragrances. So thank you to Victor and Rolf for partnering with me on today's video. And here we have the star of today's video, which is my Flowerbomb holiday gift set. And if you're a last minute shopper like me, you cannot go wrong with the fragrances. They are the ultimate gift. And if any of my family is watching this, please plug your ears because you're all getting fragrances for Christmas, so please act surprised. This gift set is available online, so if you guys are interested, I will put all the links in the description box down below so you can shop one of my favorite fragrances. And if you guys are loving this makeup look, then let's get into the video. So today's holiday makeup look is actually going to be inspired by Victor and Rolf Flowerbomb perfume. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of it, and if you've tried it, you've most likely loved it. So that's why this is going to be one of the perfect gifts for this season. I even mentioned it last year. I just love how warm and spicy this fragrance is. It has notes of jasmine, patchouli, vanilla. It smells so invigorating and feminine, and whew, it's just perfect for the holidays. So I have taken the packaging and got a little bit of inspiration from it. We have some light pinks here. We have some black. We have some silver. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be making a cute eye look with all of this as inspiration. So I'm going to be unboxing this gift set and seeing what's inside. But as you can see, this is so beautiful, this packaging. We open it up, we have the full-size Flowerbomb perfume, which is great because I need a refill. Then we have this travel size, and then this is something new to add to my collection. This is a full-size body cream. When I tell you guys this is huge, look how big this is. So I'm going to be using a few different eyeshadow palettes today to get all the shades and colors from the Flowerbomb gift set box and also from the perfume. So first things first, I'm going to be using the Pastels Rose Huda Beauty palette. I feel like this shade right here matches the box perfectly, so we're going to use this for our transition shade and apply it above the crease. So now that we've went in with that gorgeous pastel pink color, we're going to deepen up the pinks a little bit more to match the actual perfume. So I'm going to be using this color right here from the Huda Beauty Neon palette. And I think I'm going to go in with this darker pink around the outer corner. Alright, so now for the really fun part, we're going to be getting to the silver glitter, and for that I'm going to be using this Pop Beauty palette. This is the Light Show Palette Dusk Deluxe. And I am going in with this shade right here. This is pure glitter, and I'm pretty pumped about it. So I'm going to be using my finger just to dip in here and then apply all over my lid. Alright guys, let me just say I am very excited about what's happening on my eyelids right now. This is a party, and we managed to not get glitter everywhere, so that's a plus. So the next step I'm going to be doing for this look is some black wing liner. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen. I'm going to swipe a bit of this medium pink shade on my lower lash line just to make the eyes pop. Then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. liquid shadow in the color Disco Queen and pop that right in the center of my lid and also in the inner corner. And we're going to finish up with lashes. To finish this off with lips, I'm going to go for a nude lip with a pink undertone. So I'm going to be using my Hush Beauty lip kit. I'm using my Lady Godiva lip liner and my Curl Friend liquid lipstick. Alright guys, we are done. This is the completed holiday look. And not to toot my own horn or anything, but I'm looking pretty cute, I'm feeling pretty cute, and I am smelling pretty cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday makeup look inspired by one of my favorite fragrances. It was super simple and easy to do. Definitely let me know if you try it, and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season, and I'll see you in the new year.